What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a special unboxing for a new project that the channel has. By the thumbnail of this video you already know what's inside, so without further ado, let us dive into the box, check out the contents, and I'll just go through with you some of the things to look for when you are buying a used RC car. So let's get straight into it. Alright guys, and here it is, TRX 6x6. There is what it looks like. Okay, so let's remove the body. Here are your typical scuffs and scratches from using the rig, but that's what you get when you buy a used RC. The body is in very good condition. There is no visible dents or punctures or tears in the Lexan, just your minor scuffs from the average use. And here is the truck. The truck has no electronics, which is what the description stated. However, I have received the receiver, the two servos which controls the locking differentials, the servo that changes the low speed and high speed gear, and I was also supplied with the controller. Here the previous owner had the labeling of the controller, which is quite neat. I like that. The controller also has the TQ link option, so I can link the controller to the app on my phone, which can tell me the positioning and certain stuff that are features that the truck has. This used model, I will require a moto, an ESC, and a steering servo, because as you can see, I have no steering servo or the horn. I do not have the servo or the steering horn. The truck also did not come with the pinion gear, so I'll have to supply that on my own. Overall inspection, which you would want to do on any used RC that you are buying, is to just go overall, check it over, make sure that exactly what you have seen in the photos in the listing is what you get. The truck is in good order. Here is what the electronics would have looked like if I have bought this truck brand new. Here is a TRX 4 Sport. I have the Enduro Jeep hard body on it. You can check out that video in the top right corner if you want to see the build series on that. Here is what the electronics looks like. There is the Titan 550 reverse rotation motor and the Traxxas XL5 waterproof brushed ESC. You also get the Traxxas waterproof steering, but those burned out on me all the time, so here I have an upgraded one from Savox. Overall, you can see that the layout of the models are pretty much the same. There's just slight differences whereby this truck is supplied with the inner fenders onto the chassis, whereas this one does not. The overall layout in terms of electronics, motor placement and battery trays are exactly the same. Coming down to the back section of the truck, there you see that it has the added axle towards the back, and it also has the inner fender mounted to the chassis. I am now going to show you the TRX4 kit, which has the inner fender, so you can get a side-by-side comparison from the 6 to the 4 wheels. And here is the TRX4 kit. This is the unassembled kit. Here I have the KYX Ford Raptor body. I also have a build series on this body. If you'd like to check it out, you can do so by checking out the link in the top right of the video. And here is the TRX4 kit. Now this has a custom wheelbase. As you can see, I made some custom links for this kit due to the fact that the KYX Raptor body has a 324mm wheelbase. Here is the actual layout, as I had stated earlier, with the inner fenders, front and rear. However, on the TRX4 kit, you can see a significant increase in the width of the trucks. You can see that the TRX4 inner fenders is actually wider than the 6x6 inner fenders. Moving on, here you can see that the electronics is just the same. So on all platforms of the TRX4 models, they have the same layout in terms of the electronics placement. It's just that some have longer wheelbases, shorter wheelbases, the inner fender on the chassis, and the 6x6 model has 2 axles in the back as opposed to 1 axle in the back. Alright guys, and there you have it, the Traxxas TRX4 lineup. Here we have the Traxxas TRX4 Sport, the Traxxas TRX4 Defender, the Traxxas TRX4 Kit, and here we have the Traxxas TRX6 model. This is a lineup of what Traxxas offers, and the channel now has all 4 models. If you would like to see any future comparisons or any videos in detail to explain similar capabilities or differences that the models each individually owns, feel free to drop a comment below and let us know what you think, and we will make it happen. This is a video to show what you will get in the box of a used RC, but I also just wanted to show you guys the different lineups as to what the models look like when they are together. The TRX 6x6 from Traxxas. What do you think? Drop a comment below. Stay tuned for upcoming videos of this and other future builds. If you like what you see, drop a like, and if you'd like to see future videos, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.